Hey everyone! So I thought I would do an unboxing of the Clarisonic Mia 2, and I purchased this at the Beauty Boutique by Shoppers Drug Mart, which is pretty much all their higher end makeup line. So here it is, Clarisonic Mia 2. So originally I found out that the price on these actually went up. The original price, or the price currently, is $189, which is like a gouge out of my wallet. But they had a sticker on there which actually had the old price, which was still for $180. So I was able to get a price match, and I was able to use my optimum points, which I had saved enough for $85 off. So I got a really great deal. I think in total I had spent $118, but still really expensive for a face brush, and I have really high hopes for this. So anyways, this is the box that it came in. I got the pink one because it was the only one that said the $180 price tag on it. So I thought I would get this, but pretty much it would have been $189 if I hadn't caught that incorrect ticket. So I got really lucky. So the Mia 2 Sonic Skin Cleansing Brush, it has 2 speeds. It's a 2-year warranty, 1-minute pulsing tea timer, and there's a protective travel case. So if we open it up, it kind of gives you a brief overview or like information of what it does. It says cleanses 6 times better than with your hands alone. And then it has some images. So this one I guess is without before, and this one's after, and then if this one is just using your bare hands. Yeah. And then this is what it looks like. So again, it comes with 2 speeds, revive and recharge. So I guess this is the on button. The tea timer will guide you. I guess it's here. I don't know. And then it comes with a sensitive head brush. So let's actually open this up. I already had it pre-opened, but it comes with the pamphlet. So facial sonic cleansing user guide. I haven't looked at this. So I guess it talks about the different components of the Clarisonic, and then the charger, features of Mia, instructions for the use of a Clarisonic Mia 2 and cleanser. So I guess prior to the first use, charge the Clarisonic handle for 24 hours. Ugh, so I can't even use it today? Alright. And then it just gives you a little bit more. I wonder what else it has. Caring for your Clarisonic, so it just tells you how to take care of it. The different brush heads. I guess this talks about the 2-year warranty. Yada yada yada, which I will go through later. So there's the user guide. And let's get to the good stuff. So if I open this up, ooh, comes in the plastic, if you guys can see that. So I'm just gonna take this off. Oops, everything fell out. So there we go. It's really small. I can hold it in my hand really well. I guess it comes with a protective case, and then the sensitive brush head. Looks super dense. I wonder what happens if I turn this on. Ooh. So it is ready to use, but I think I would still need to charge it according to the instructions. And then I guess removing the head is just rotating it. That's what it looks like. Detachable brush head. And these things are really expensive. They're like $30 a piece, which kind of sucks. But again, I have high hopes. Better be a miracle in my hand. So there's that. It came with a travel case, so let's see if this works. Oh, can't hold both. So if I open this up, perfect. This is great for traveling. Open it up again. And then it comes with the charger. And I think this is a magnetic charge. How would I... Oh, there we go. So it charges in the front. This is detachable. No. So yeah, there's that. And then I guess it came with a sample Clarisonic Cleanser. For normal to oily skin. That's a bummer because I'm dry combination skin, so I will probably be giving this away. But that's nice to have like a travel size cleanser. So it's a pH balanced, gentle foaming cleanser to relieve oily and congested skin. Scientifically developed by Rob Ackridge to leave skin feeling and looking smoother when used with the Clarisonic Skin Cleansing Brush, paraben free. Nice. So anyways, that's all that there is in the box. And yeah, I'm excited to use this and test it out for you guys. So I will probably be doing a review on this because, again, it's really expensive, and I'm like one of those people really skeptical about the whole hype and the cult of these Clarisonic cleansing brushes. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!